In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Kari Rideshare App. Kari is a rideshare app that's currently available on Canada. You can easily book a ride from where you are using your phone's location or enter your pickup and drop-off address to start finding a ride right away or for a future time. You can get real-time alerts on the status of your driver and notifications with critical information like arrival time, stop location, and vehicle description. You can also see an upfront fare estimate so you will know how much your trip will cost. You can also track your ride in real time to see when your driver will arrive and when you will arrive at your destination. All payments are processed within the app, so there's no need to handle cash or process credit card payments. This app is currently available for Android or for iOS. So, to get started, go to your Play Store app and type Kari. Then click on the app right here and then click on Install. Once it is installed, click on Open and now click on the Get Started button. It will ask you first to type your phone number, so you can select your country, and then it will send you a code to your phone number and it will take you to this screen. Here it will ask you to type your first name and then your last name. Once you've done that, click on Continue. Now it will ask you to type your email number and it will send you a verification code which you want to type right here. Once you're done, click on Continue. Here you can add a photo and then it will ask you for your credit card information so you can manage your payments. You can also skip it and then get started with the app. It will ask you to turn on your location permissions or to enter a pickup location. Here you can type the address of the pickup and then enter your destination. And once you've done that, it will show you this screen. Here you can select the type of car you want. You have Kari card, which is the cheapest one, and the Kari SUV, and both are for up to 4 people. You can also select the Kari van, which is up to 6 people. Here you can see the pickup and the drop-off locations on the map. You can select your pickup date, whether you want it today, or you can plan a ride for another day. Once you're finished with that, you can also add a note to your driver, and if you have one, you can also enter a promo code. This will give you a discount on your final price. You can also select your payment method and then it will ask you to add your card. Once you finish with all the settings, just click on Select and the app will start looking for a rider. And that's it. You can now start using your Kari Rideshare app to go wherever you want. If the video was helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next one.